Hi, my name is Marie Rowe, and I'm talking to you today about the model that I used this semester, which was the affiliate blog model. So my blog, Mama Llama Libros, that I did was a children's literature review blog, and the audience was adults who had children in their lives, whether they were teachers, parents, caregivers, grandparents, etc. So through an affiliate model, what you're doing is you're helping to drive traffic to other sites with actual products. You don't have any actual products on your page that come from you, but through the different reviews or blog posts that you do, you're recommending products to your reader, and you usually have an affiliate link which will take them directly to the place where they can purchase that product. In my case, I am an Amazon associate or affiliated with Amazon.com. So you'll see on my website different disclaimers here. Throughout the blog, I also have a separate page specifically for disclaimers so that people know that on when they make clicks, I may be receiving monetary or any other kind of compensation for their qualifying purchases. So the posts that I do on my blog will usually have an affiliated link in addition to other pictures of the books. So you'll see here's one that's pretty obvious. Kind of gives the price and tells you that it's Prime. Then click Shop Now, or Amazon also has text, or they have these photos where you can click here, and it will take the reader to Amazon.com where they can easily make a purchase. Within a certain amount of time, they make that purchase after clicking on your affiliate link. Then again, a percentage of that comes back to you as the affiliate. I also use these pictures are really nice for the list that I do, and it just looks a little bit better, and it doesn't look so, in my opinion, it doesn't look so like salesy to have it on your page. So these are all affiliate links that people can click on. This is kind of a work in progress, this list page. I'll be having a little bit more like words. Um, as far as driving traffic to your site, because you want to do that so that people will go, will click on your affiliate links, and you can use things like Instagram. And this is something I'm working on. Instagram is nice because you're making shorter, concise posts that people can click through quickly. You're able to talk about the books. People want to read more in depth, then you can have a link on your site. You may have seen, if you're familiar with Instagram, people will include something down here like link to or click on profile and link or whatever. Or if you're in the stories, you can also use affiliate links in your Instagram stories so people can be linked back to your affiliate. You can use the affiliate model there through Instagram. Another way to drive traffic to your site is by tagging. Here in this example, I've tagged local businesses that I've used, and these aren't affiliate links, but it's just a way to, as you tag them, they tag you back, and it's just a way for you to increase, followers and real followers, not just, people that random people. And third option on Instagram or even on your blog is you can invite other people, or you can talk about new things. So for this was a new author, a new book that had come out. So did a post on that, and I tagged the person again, tagged back to that person. So that's just another way that you can drive traffic to your site as an affiliate model. I really thought this was interesting. I've never done something like this before, and I think I'll keep trying it out over the next, for a while. Thanks.